20% of Mozambique's exports come to South Africa, while South Africa remains the biggest investor in Mozambique. And that's because South Africa has been driving an initiative to take South African businesses out of the country.
There are 35 foreign direct investment projects by South African companies in Mozambique, a total investment value of 122 billion rand, and that these investment projects over the years have created in Mozambique about 11,000 jobs.
There's more. Tsogosan is about to invest $30 million in its Maputo hotel. Nedbank is taking a stake in a local bank, and Tongaat Hulot is establishing a 17.5 million litre ethanol plant.
We think that what we need to do is to work much more closely, much more precisely on identifying investment opportunities that will stimulate new kinds of trade relations between our countries.
The Mozambique economy is diversifying, but its base remains in agriculture and agro-processing. It is now starting to look at a project in the steel sector, though.
It's combined the coal, electricity and iron ore, that we all have these three major components, three raw materials entered in the same area, in the same geographical area that we have entered.
While the opportunities exist in tourism, agriculture and infrastructure, the country is yet to resolve its impasse with the IMF on its debt problem and the non-payment of loans. The Kroll report, an independent audit into Mozambique's maritime security loans, which led to the IMF pulling its funding, is yet to be released. It's affecting investor confidence.
Yes, very clearly. They are just waiting to see what is going on, and nevertheless we'll have a very important news this week, because the first final investment decision on the gas projects will be announced on 1st of June, which is a clear indication that the investors are confident that the situation will be resolved in the near term.
Confidence levels seem to be increasing in terms of investing in Maputo and in Mozambique in general. But there's one big elephant in the room, and that's the current political turmoil between the ruling party and the major opposition. The truce is holding out, and hopefully it will continue so. I'm Angelo Coppola for CGTN in Johannesburg, South Africa.